Hello everyone, my name is Santos177 and this is the second video from the series to show how works Omnicore on top of Bitcoin Gold. So today we are going to see how Crowdsales works. Crowdsales are a common mechanism for a company, for a startup for example, to get the initial capital. So in this example, Alice is going to create tokens for his company called Crypto Power. It's a fictional company that works with solar energy, so she wants to sell these tokens to investors. So first of all, we have to check the list of properties. So here we have three of those tokens. The number 3 is the decentralized dollars. So in this example we are going to use this one. The Alice is going to create tokens for his company, and she is going to receive for investors the dollars, decentralized dollars. So I have to use the next command. Omni send each one Crowdsale. So first of all, I would like to show you every argument. So here we got a lot of arguments, but the first one is the address of the issuer. The second is the ecosystem. We are working now in the main ecosystem. The type is if your token is divisible or indivisible. In this example we are going to create the divisible tokens. The previous ID is 0 because we are creating a new Crowdsale. And then we have categories, subcategory, the name, the URL, and data. The other arguments are, of course, this is important because in this case it's 3 is the property desired that of course Alice want. In this case is the decentralized tokens. Decentralized dollars. Number 3, tokens per unit. This is in this case we are going to exchange one token of the company for $1. So this is gonna be 1. Deadline, this is the deadline as a Unix timestamp. The early bonus is of course early bonus for the for all participants for week. In this case it's going to be 0 for simplicity. And the last argument is the user per percentage. We are going to use 5%. So it's for 100 tokens in the market, for Alice is going to receive the half. So let's see here the arguments. So here we have to write the Alice address. Then we have the ecosystem. Here is 1, that's a main ecosystem. 2 is the type, because we are making divisible tokens. 0 is for new Crowdsales. The category is Crowdsale, the subcategory is Crowdsale. The name is Crypto Power. The fictional web page is cryptopower.com, and data is solar power driven by crypto. Then we got this important number. It's 3 because Alice wants decentralized dollars. And then we got the tokens per unit. Of course, is 1 by 1 because we are changing 1 token of crypto power for $1. The deadline is big number because we don't want to reach the deadline. And we have here 0 because we don't have early bonus, and this is the 50% because for each for each token in the market, Alice is going to receive the half. So we are going to create this. We have to generate one because we are using rectest. So we mine 1 block, and then we have to see if everything is okay in the list properties. Yeah. So we can see our new token here as a property v4. So now investors can buy some tokens using his dollars. Let's say, for example, if Bob has some decentralized dollars, we can check this using Omni get balance, the address of Bob. Of course, Bob is in this case this address. So if we check the balance for Bob, for of course of property 3, we can see that Bob has 100 tokens, 100 decentralized dollars. So he can buy, for example, I don't know, 10 crypto power tokens. So he can send his tokens to Alice's address. So when he sends the tokens, then he receives his crypto power tokens, because if we check, for example, his balance, but for property d4, we have 0. So now we're going to send from the Bob address to Alice. We're going to send 10 decentralized tokens. Of course, these three say that we are using decentralized dollars. So now we have to mine one block. So we're going to see again the balance of crypto powered tokens for Bob. And now we can check these 10 tokens here. Of course, we can check also the tokens, the decentralized dollars. So of course, now we have 90. So that's it. Of course, we have another commands. For example, if we want to close the Crowdsale, we can use this one. So we can use this command here. So we have to add, of course, the address of Alice and the property V of the Crowdsale, in this case is 4. So we have to, of course, we have to generate another block again, and now we have to see the state of the property, so we can use the OmniGet property and 4. And here we can see, no, this is not the command, get Crowdsale. Here we can see the status. The close early is true because we close this now. So that's are the basis for the Crowdsales. In the next videos we are going to talk about the MetaDex and the DEX on top of Omni with Bitcoin Gold. So see you in the next time.